everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow loom LOKAI bracelet. Now obviously this is not a real LOKAI bracelet since it's made out of rainbow loom rubber bands. So yeah, let's get this video started. For this project you will need rainbow loom white rubber bands, a rainbow loom, or any other loom that you have, C-clips, S-clips, or oval clips. You will need 23 pink rainbow loom rubber bands, 1 black rubber band, and 1 white rubber band, and your rainbow loom hook. The only design that we are going to be doing is the single chain. And then what you need to do is place your first colored rubber band, like here I'm putting a black rubber band, and you need to put it where you think the center, not really the center, but where it would be, where you think would be a good spot for it. And then just keep doing your chain until you know when to do the white one. Now since you probably already know how to do the single chain bracelet, all you have to do is flip the loom around so that the arrow is facing toward you, and just do the single chain, like loop the other over the other one, basically. Yeah, and then do that all the way to the top, and basically you're done. Once you've put a clip on your last band, take it off of the loom and hook the other side on to the clip, just like I'm doing here. And that's how you make your very own rainbow loom rubber band LOKAI bracelet. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to join the fun family and click the thumbs up so I know that I can make more videos like this one. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a fun day. Bye.